Hello guys. I'm Tigercraft.
Hello Tigercraft, do you want to go to striptease club?
OMG. Let's go to MC. I'm starving.
Why don't we ask Tigercraft what he want?
You are fucking gay. Just let's go to my house. I want to be with Tigercraft.
Okay, let's go to MC. I want to eat chicken burger.
OMG, let's go to and dead there. You're stupid Tigercraft.
Shut up fucking gay. Let's go to the MC.